Hi, so Josh Campbell here from Rescue Air and Plumbing, and I'm here with our plumbing manager, Randy Carpenter, and we're here to talk to you today about water filtration, in specific one called the Halo, which is our product, and really why that's so important.
Typically, if you pull the water report that each individual city gives out, they're required to federally every year. You'd be amazed at the contaminants that are in the water, things that you don't even know about. And what this Halo does is takes those contaminants out, but also leaves the natural minerals that are good for you in the water.
So I was blown away when I looked at chlorine specifically, and look it up anytime, the amount of absorption your body does. Something like a 15-minute shower, you absorb 63% as much chlorine as you would have if you just drank it. Or if your kid's in the pool for an hour, 88% absorption as if they just drank the water from the pool. It's wild. You know, chlorine causes what?
Eczema, dry skin,
I mean, kinds of stuff like lung issues and asthma, brittle hair, makes you wrinkle young. There's a lot of reasons you don't want this stuff in your body.
What we do is we have a water test kit that we use. It tests the pH level and the chlorine level, and you want it to be as clear as possible.
And we have these on every one of our trucks?
Yes.
So whenever our guys come out, we do it complimentary, and just ask, and we'll be happy to do one of these tests for free. So some of the things that's happened for me at my house since we had our installation. One, we tested the water before and after, and the water before tested pink and yellow at all the way at the top of the scale. Well, now since we've installed it, our water tests clear, so there's no chlorine and the pH levels are correct. But the stuff that I've noticed that's really cool is like my kids can drink out of the tap and I don't have to worry about it. I mean, even in the shower, you can feel how much more comfortable the water is. Just knowing
Drinks the shower.
I do drink the shower. It's kind of weird, but you can drink right in the shower when you wake up in the morning. But I mean, we cook, everything we do, we don't have to worry about our water anymore. We don't drink bottled water at all, no more plastic. So there's some huge wins in our house. Not to mention, just the shower heads are staying clear. Like, they don't spray water out at weird angles anymore. The water sprays straight out of them.
Right. It's got the ion in it that's a water softener that will keep the calcium and magnesium from showing up and bundling up on your shower heads, your fixtures.
All these plumbing devices that break over the years, you get to really prolong the life of a lot of your stuff.
Right.
So if you're interested in a free water test, give us a call and we'll come out and do that for you free of no charge.
Or you can ask your plumber why he's out there, and we'll do it while we're on site.